Hello everyone, my name is Dean Parker, Senior Market Development Agronomist with Carbon Chemicals. And today's product feature, we're talking about LuFen. And of course, we are in a cabbage field. So guess what? LuFen controls the diamondback moth larvae that affects your cabbage. It also controls cabbage looper and other lepidopteran larvae that can of course damage your crop. So whether you're growing sweet corn, you're growing cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, or even tomatoes, LuFen is the product that is going to solve that problem for you. Now you should be asking by now, what is it? Let me get into the nuts and bolts of it for you. So it's a larvicidal with ovicidal properties that gives you control of larvae. You want to come in just as the infection or the worms are showing up, so as to give you that excellent control. It's applied at half to 1 teaspoon, that is 2.5 to 5 mils per gallon of water, and you want to get good coverage, especially for crops such as cabbage. You want to get into those crown leaves and outer leaves, so you want the applicators to be on point and do the product application at best. You use it also preferably in the late afternoon, where egg laying activities would have already begun, or they would have laid their eggs. So once you put down your LuFen, you're getting control. Now it's an insect growth regulator. So once you apply LuFen and the larvae comes in contact with or consumes the plant leaves, you're going to get what we call premature molting. So those worms cannot grow beyond any further, and so you get that control. Now it's affecting their ability to molt and to develop further, thereby giving you excellent control. Of course, you can apply LuFen with your spreader sticker or your NuFen to give you further efficacy in the field. Okay, so this field was treated with LuFen with a view to suppress and to control the egg and the feeding habit of the pest in question, which is a diamondback moth larvae. And so, as you would have realized, feeding would have decreased significantly since the first application, and so we'll do a repeated application here with LuFen just to ensure that we get sufficient coverage. So what I want to point out to you as you look closer is the fact that you are able to see some damage, but that damage would have decreased significantly up to 90% as a result of the application of LuFen. So take a closer look. So we're taking a closer look in this cabbage head where LuFen was applied. Now you can see that their actual yellow and green larvae, when they are healthy and growing actively, they are full green. So the lufenaron or the LuFen in question would have been taking its effect on the pest itself, thereby causing feeding to stop, and the insect now will try to molt and thereby, of course, exposing itself to the environment and being killed in the process. So the farmer would see this activity within 2 to 3 hours after having applied LuFen, and control, of course, full control within the same period of time. So the worms might be present or visible, but no feeding activity would have been taking place. And so control would have been achieved, and the pest pressure would have been reduced significantly in this crop.